A charismatic man with a love for comedy and adventure receives an unexpected call, changing the course of his day. Joy lights up his face as he realizes he has won an all-expenses-paid trip to Jamaica. Upon hearing the news, he immediately starts brainstorming ideas for their upcoming getaway through ordering tickets on a website called breathtakinglagoon.com. Excitement fills the air as she joins the planning process, envisioning the tropical paradise awaiting them. She hands James a comically detailed list of travel do's and don'ts, complete with exaggerated warnings and quirky anecdotes. The mix-up at the check-in counter leads to a series of misadventures, setting the tone for their tropical escapade. The wild taxi ride through the bustling streets of Jamaica becomes a roller coaster of unexpected turns and hilarious encounters. As they settle into their tropical paradise, a sense of relaxation and anticipation fills the air, promising a vacation filled with laughter and unexpected surprises. Surrounded by the beauty of the island and the laughter of new friends, they realize that the best adventures are the ones shared with the ones you love.